Welcome back to the Caribou Data Science channel. Today is Friday, October 30th, 2020. And I'm getting ready to run my daily COVID-19 report for the country of Israel. As I said, Israel actually is showing some improvement, probably as a result of a lockdown. I think the cases and their deaths were decreasing. Okay, but before we get started, I run this report. I'd really appreciate it if you haven't done so already, if you would click the red subscribe button in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen and subscribe to the Caribou Data Science channel. And if you find this report helpful and useful, then please do a like and share with your friends. So let's go and get this report run for Israel for the October 30th. So Israel is currently averaging 1,038 cases per day, but only 8 deaths per day. So we took at the mortality rate. You can see that the mortality rate continues to climb upward. Part of the problem is the cases are so small, it's really hard to get a great deal of separation, I think, between the cases and the deaths. But let's take a look here. Okay. Here you see a clear decline in cases. Now this is more than 2 weeks. So this decline actually started back before the lockdown. Okay. But you see this number is below this number here now in terms of cases. It's actually about the same spot as here. Okay. If we look at deaths, you can see deaths are also trending down on average. Okay. You can zoom in once again. You can see this this distinct downward trend. Although it does appear to be starting to trend back up here. Deaths, you can see, are continuing to trend downward, which is good. Now you can see that this will be the 4th week in a row, 1, 2, 3, 4, where cases have declined. But unfortunately, this will also be the 2nd week in a row where deaths have increased, which is kind of odd considering the fact we had a downward trend on the daily numbers. Once again, you can see that October's cases probably will not catch September's cases, but October's deaths have already passed September's deaths. We actually had 4 straight months in a row increase in deaths. So what do we got here? Well, if we come back up here one more time, look here, you can see that on average the numbers are declining. Okay, if that's right. But you have all this volatility here, which could have something to do with the reporting cycle. And maybe these are Mondays or something like that, and then these here are Fridays maybe or something like that. It's hard to say. But we do see a downward trend here in deaths. Except we don't see them here, do we? We don't see them here. We don't see them there. All right. So anyway, and that's just some larger numbers in here someplace we just can't see. So anyway, Israel is definitely still struggling with controlling the number of cases, but deaths are showing a slight decrease. Okay, so thanks for your time today on this Israel report. If you find this report helpful and useful, don't forget to go and click the red button and subscribe and like and share the video. Also, if you haven't done so already, then please go ahead and click the subscribe button so you keep up to date on all the latest COVID-19 videos.